Hi guys, today I'll show you how to replace the right side reverse light on a 2014 Toyota Corolla. I have another video for the left side linked up in the cards. I'll start by pressing down the top of the cap to disengage the clips, and here's the back side of the cover. Note that the tab on the bottom goes under the metal. Now I'll turn the socket counterclockwise and pull it out, and the bulb just pulls out of the socket. If you need a new bulb, I have a link in the video description down below. To put it back in, just push it in and make sure it's all the way down. Now I'll push the socket back in and turn it clockwise. To put the cap back on, start with the tab here and put it behind the metal. Align this post with the opening here and push the wire below the clip on the left side. And now push it in. Here it is one more time up close. The wire is behind the clip, and push it in. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I'll be posting more videos in the future.